you may have noticed that the only liquid chalk color that we recommend using on our erasable white calendars is silver, because it doesn't leave any color ghosting behind. It took us a lot of testing to figure this out, but I wanted to show you what I mean by that. Okay, so I just have a damp paper towel, and you can see that the silver chalk marker just wipes cleanly off, and if I dry it, there's just no residue or color left behind. The downside is that because silver is metallic, the way the light catches it, you know, there's like a, I don't know, a shimmer effect. And with the way the light catches it against the light background, from certain angles, it can be hard to read, especially from a distance. I've written with some blue, pink, some other colors. And now I'm going to erase them with a damp cloth also. Okay, it's really hard to see, but you can see that this color, which was kind of like a darker pink, and this color, which I think was purple, you can see just a hint of the color and writing left behind. Now, some of the other colors erased fine, but those two did not. So as you will see in the product listings for any of our calendars, we recommend silver chalk markers for the white erasable calendars, and either silver or white liquid chalk for the navy blue and rainbow calendars, because those should, for every test and every brand we've tried, those should wipe off cleanly and not leave any color ghosting.